Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Chase Sapphire Preferred versus Amex Gold. Chase Sapphire Preferred and Amex Gold are both top-tier travel rewards card, but they shine in different areas. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is a great travel card with a low $95 annual fee. You earn 5 times points on travel booked through Chase, 3 times on dining and select streaming services, and 2 times on other travel. Points are worth 25% more when used to book travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can also transfer points to popular airlines and hotel partners for high value. The card includes helpful travel protections like trip cancellation and rental car insurance. There are no foreign transaction fees, so it's good for international travel. The Amex Gold is a great card if you spend a lot on food. You earn 4 times points at restaurants and on groceries, which adds up fast. It also gives monthly credits for dining and Uber, helping offset the annual fee. The points you earn can't be transferred to travel partners for flights and hotels. It doesn't have enough access or travel perks like some other premium cards, but it's still solid for everyday use. The card looks fancy with its metal design too. Overall, Amex Gold is better for maximizing dining and grocery rewards, while Chase Sapphire Preferred is better for flexible travel perks and lower overall cost. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.